My name is Deborah Octaviani from Business Studies Education, program the Faculty of Economic, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming to my presentations, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Studies Education Program, and at times acts as my second supervisor, Mrs. Rina Parlina, MBA, my first supervisor, Mr. Dr. Nurdin Hidayat, MM, MSE, my examiner who will examine my presentation seminar today, such as Chief Examiner, Mrs. Dr. Kori Yohana, MM, Expert Examiner, Mrs. Dr. Anda Dinca Griandini, MPD, Secretary, Mrs. Nadila Fadila, F, SPD, MPD. Thank you very much for taking the time to be my examiners today on April 6, 2020. Today, I will present a research proposal entitled The Effect of Electronic Service Quality and Trust Towards Students' Purchase Decision of E-commerce Shopee in the Universitas Negeri Jakarta. There are three things I will present, which are: first, introduction, which includes reason for choosing the title and background of the study. Second, the literature review, which includes discussion of relevant theory and research. Third, the research methodology, which includes research instrument, research to be carried out, namely data collection technique and place, population, and research of the sample. Well, let's move on to the first discussion about the research background. Currently, the development of technology is increasing and developing. The development of this technology is characterized by a variety of sophisticated communication media, one of which is Internet. Based on a survey conducted by APJI, Association of Indonesia Internet Service Provider, in 2018, mentioned Internet user in Indonesia increased to 10.12% compared to 2017. In total, Internet user research 2018 reaching 171.17 million users from a population of 264.16 million. Utilization of the Internet is not only seen in terms of communication, but can be used as a link to online shopping. With so many people using the Internet, creating business opportunities to open online shop is part of e-commerce. In Indonesia, there are several e-commerce companies that provide a marketplace for consumers to make sales and purchase transactions online, include Tokopedia, Shopee, Bukalapak, Lazada, OLX, and others. Based on total visitor determined by iPrice Group, Shopee came in second with 56 million after Tokopedia, whose success in first place with 66 million monthly website visitor. This shows that Shopee has not been able to win e-commerce competition. Therefore, research is needed to analyze the factor that influence purchasing decision in Shopee e-commerce. I am interested in doing research of electronic service quality and trust in purchasing decision for students in Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I did a preliminary survey to 30 samples from Shopee customers in the Universitas Negeri Jakarta. The results show that from 100%, 43.5% respondents said that the electronic service quality of e-commerce Shopee was good enough. 56.5% of respondents said of the electronic service quality of the e-commerce is still not or not. 45.8% respondents said that the trust of e-commerce Shopee was good. 54.2% of respondents said the trust of the e-commerce Shopee is still not or not good enough. So, I am interested to do a research about the role of electronic service quality and trust as independent variable on purchase decision as dependent variable. Talking electronic service quality and trust, I will explain some relevant theories about it. Angel, as quoted by M. Anang Firmansyah, described that the purchasing decision making process refers to consistent action and wise ways that can be done quickly to meet the needs of life. Philip Kotler and Gary Armstrong suggest that there are several stages in the purchase decision process, namely 1. Need recognition, 2. Information research, 3. Alternative evaluation, 4. Purchase decision, and 5. Post-purchase behavior. Next is electronic service quality. Santos described that the e-service can be defined as the consumer overall evaluation and judgment of the excellence and quality of e-service offerings in the virtual marketplace. Zeitamal, Bittner, and Grimler, there are four dimensions that consumer use to judge website at which the experience no question or problem are the follows. 1. Efficiency. 2. Fulfillment. 3. System ability. And 4. Privacy. The last is trust. Chip R. Bell and Zelensky describe the trust is shown through the small act of communication and caring that make customer feel you are on their team, not playing for the opposition. Schlosser et al. As quote by Doligalski state that the most popular categorization includes the three dimensions of trust. 1. Ability. 2. Benevolence. 3. Integrity. After knowing about definition of the variable in the research, I found some relevant research. 1. Muhammad Fahmi, Ikrar Putra Setiawan, and Andi Hidayat with title Analysis of Factor Affecting Consumer Purchase Decision at Online Shop. 2. Niwayan Nonik Ismayanti, Iwayan Suwardana, and Imade Kusuma Negara with title The Effect of Trust and E-Service on Purchasing Decision in Bali on Booking.com. 3. Christian Tanjung, Noven Elva, Sukocho, and Yohanda Andreas with title Analysis of Price Perception, Promotion, and Trust toward Decision Purchase on Online Site Tokopedia. 4. Fredia Naika Istanti with title The Effect of Price, Trust, Ease of Shopping, and E-Promotion of Online Shop Purchasing Decision in Surabaya. 5. Elizabeth Liariani Kore, Funisia Lamalewa, and Ari Mulyaningsi with title The Influence of Promotion, Trust, and Convenience to Online Purchase Decision. And 6. Evelyn Wijaya and Warnadi with title Factor Affecting Online Purchase Decision at Shopee. Effect of e-commerce. Next, I want to tell about the research instrument of this research. 1. Purchase decision. There are 4 dimensions to measure purchase decision. The first dimension is introduction of needs. The indicator is internal stimulation with sub-indicator self and external stimulation with sub-indicator other people's influence. The second dimension is information search with indicator personal search with sub-indicator friend and family. Commercial with sub-indicator advertisement, and search of experience with sub-indicator have used. Third dimension is alternative evaluation with indicator judging from several alternatives and sub-indicator choose between 2 or more alternative products. And fourth is purchase and indicator attitude with sub-indicator by the preferred brand. Next is electronic service quality. There are 4 dimensions to measure electronic service quality. First, efficiency with indicator ease of accessing the site and ease of using the site. Second, fulfillment with indicator on-time delivery of orders and availability of goods. 3. System availability with indicator site technical functionality. And 4. With indicator privacy, security, guarantee on the site, and protect customer information. And the last is trust. There are 3 dimensions to measure trust. First, ability with indicator, the company can provide what is expected. Second, benevolence with indicator, the company has a positive orientation. And the third, integrity with indicator moral. Well, the last thing that I want to present in this research methodology is this research will be conducted in Universitas Negeri Jakarta. The population is all customer of e-commerce Shopee in Universitas Negeri Jakarta students. The sample of this research are 130 customer of e-commerce Shopee in Universitas Negeri Jakarta students. The research used primary data by collecting the answer of the questionnaires with Likert scale model. The data analysis technique that used in this research is multiple linear regression. And the sampling technique that used in this research is purposive sampling. Yeah, that brings us to the end of the presentations. I would like to summarize that the objective of this research is to get the valid and reliable data and fact about the influence of electronic service quality on purchase decision and the influence of trust on purchase decisions. Well, thank you so much for taking your time to watch my seminar research proposal presentations.